everyone, let's look into the starter kit and do a step-by-step application together today. Make sure your lashes are free from dirt and oils and curl them once dry. Let's start with one eye first. Prepare the lash clusters by flipping them gently and taking them out with your fingers for better grip. Align the clusters diagonally for easier application. Then remove any excess from the brush. Swipe across the lash bands for an even application. Now you're ready to start. Pick up the tip of the lash cluster and start from the inner corners of the eye. Place the cluster as close to the root of your eyelash in an upward motion. Continue to place clusters in a continuous line or feel free to stack them. Just look at this amazing difference. Instantly, one eye looks so glammed up compared to the other. Now, all you need to do is repeat this for the other side. Once you're done, you're going to take Perk and apply on Pick the tweezer. Give it a good press to even it out and align the grooves to your eye. Go close to your eye and clamp your lashes to finish the look. And just like that, you're done and all ready to head out.